Hello guys, this is my first video on YouTube. In this video I tell you in Shadow Fight which weapon you want, which weapon you can use, and which weapon has too much damage after update the weapon. So let's start the video. First of all I show you my weapons. There are all my weapons. Now we start from this one. Let's go in practice mode and I'll tell you about this weapon. This weapon is good but not too much damage because this weapon is level 1 weapon and this weapon is in close range weapon, so you can use it in close range. Now we can use the second weapon. It is also for close range. You can also use it in close range. So I do not use this weapon because I do not like fighting close range. This weapon is also in close range. I show you. Let's see. You see it. This weapon is also for close range. You can use it in close range only. This weapon is for a long range weapon. You can use it for long range. But I not use this weapon also because I do not like this one. It has damage but not too much. This weapon is also for close range. I also not use this weapon because I not fight in close range. That is why I don't use this weapon. So let's go to the other weapon. I use this weapon in my every match. I love this weapon so much. I show you. Let's see. If you like Shadow Fight, please like and share this video and tell your friends to share this video also and subscribe my channel. I gave this type of videos to you every day. Now I show you in this weapon is in fighting mode. Let's see. You can see the damage of this weapon. I upgrade this weapon